Pregnancy Introduction. Please point to the cervix. Choose one of the following options, 1 or 2. Correct. The cervix is the lowest, narrower part of the uterus. It connects the uterus to the vagina. You will feel your baby first begin to move during the 3rd trimester. Select true or false. Correct. Your baby will begin to move at the end of the 2nd trimester. It will continue to move during the 3rd trimester and until birth. Please point to the placenta. Choose one of the following options, 1 or 2. Correct. If your menstrual periods have stopped, then you are pregnant. Select true or false. Correct. Sometimes certain medical conditions may cause menstrual periods to stop. Prenatal care helps keep you and your baby healthy. Select true or false. Correct. Babies of mothers who don't get prenatal care are 5 times more likely to die than those born to mothers who do get care. All pregnancies involve a certain degree of risk to both mother and baby. Select true or false. Correct. However, certain factors can place the mother and baby at higher risk for problems. These pregnancies are known as high-risk pregnancies.
Thank you for using Explain.